In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews using Loox. This process will help you seamlessly integrate customer feedback into your Shopify store, enhancing your store's credibility and potentially boosting sales. Let's dive in and make sure your reviews are up and running in just a few minutes. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Shopify. It's crucial that you're already logged into your Shopify account for this process, so just enter your login details if you're not already signed in. You'll find the Shopify dashboard, which gives you access to all the apps you've integrated into your store. This is where Loox comes into play. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to locate the Loox app. It's your go-to tool for managing reviews effectively. Inside the app, head over to the Reviews section. Loox provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy to spot the import option. You might find it labeled as Import Reviews or something similar, so a little bit of exploration will take you there quickly. Now, once you are in the right section, you should see an option to upload a CSV file. This is where you'll insert the reviews you've collected from a previous app or another source. Keep in mind that the CSV file format is quite common for data transfer and is usually supported by most review management systems, making this step straightforward. It's always a good idea to double-check your CSV file to ensure that all necessary fields are filled out correctly before proceeding. At this stage, depending on the app's requirements, you might be prompted to map the information. This simply means you'll be aligning the data from your CSV file with the corresponding fields in the Loox app. This step is vital because it ensures that each piece of information, like customer names, ratings, and comments, is correctly placed and displayed on your product pages. In some cases, especially if you're importing a large volume of reviews, you might not see them appear immediately. This is perfectly normal, as processing large datasets can take some time. You can keep working on other tasks while Loox processes the file in the background. To keep you informed, Loox will often send an update to your registered email once the import is completed. And there you have it. Importing reviews using Loox within Shopify is a simple process that can make a big difference in how potential customers view your products. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see your imported reviews integrated smoothly into your store, ready to be admired by your visitors. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you make the most out of customer reviews in your Shopify store.